Hello, I am Peihao Chen from South China University of Technology. Today I am glad to talk about weekly supervised multi-granularity map learning for vision and language navigation. Code and model are available at my GitHub repository. First, I will introduce the background about vision and language navigation. Developing a robot that is able to cooperate with humans is one of the goals for embodied artificial intelligence. To this end, vision and language navigation has been proposed, which aims to train a robot to navigate in an environment following a path described by language instructions. Current dominant methods could be broadly divided into two categories. The first one trains an agent in an end-to-end manner. It perceives the environment from RGBD and predicts a sequence of actions using a recurrent model. In contrast, the modular map-based approach divides the whole navigation process into several components such as mapping, planning and control. It equips the agent with a map constructed gradually to perceive the environment. Recently, existing method considers to build a semantic map, which is built by projecting RGB segmentation results to a top-down map. It reveals the location and semantic of environment objects. However, this kind of map cannot represent the attribute of objects, for example color, texture, and material. As a result, it provides insufficient information to discriminate white wooden table from different instances. And we find that such ambiguity cases appear frequently in an indoor environment. How to represent such fine-grained details of objects in map is critical but challenge. Previous network interpretability works show that latent features from different layers of deep networks contain different types of fine-grained details of objects. Based on this observation, we use these latent features to represent environment information. To equip an agent with a map to represent diverse environment objects and their attributes, we solve it from two aspects. 1. We augment a semantic map to build a multi-granularity map for containing fine-grained details. 2. We propose a weekly supervised localization auxiliary task for learning correspondence between map representation and instruction objects. With the learned multi-granularity map, we feed it and the instruction to a waypoint navigator to decide the next navigation action. To better represent environment objects on a map, we propose to leverage both fine-grained features and semantic features about objects for building a multi-granularity map. To capture fine-grained environment details, we feed RGB images to a pre-trained segmentation model. We use latent features to represent environment details. Then, we project these features to an egocentric top-down map. We name the projected map as fine-grained map. To represent semantic information, we feed the fine-grained map to a semantic hallucination module to predict the semantic class at each position. We merge information from both the fine-grained map and predicted semantic map using a map encoder to produce a multi-granularity map. To make the multi-granularity map better represent instruction-relevant objects, we propose a weekly supervised object localization auxiliary task. Because we do not know the exact location of instruction objects, we use the instruction-relevant path as guidance to generate a course location ground truth. We feed the instruction and multi-granularity map to an object localization module to predict the location of instruction-relevant objects. And the training objective is to minimizing KL divergence between predicted and course ground truth localization map. We conduct our experiments on VLNCE dataset, which contains 16,844 path instruction pairs from 90 scenes in Matterport 3D. We follow existing works to evaluate using metrics as follows. We compare our proposed method with the state-of-the-art methods on both seen and unseen validation set of VLNCE dataset. Our method outperforms all methods that follow the same VLNCE setting. That is, no panoramic images. Besides, we also get comparable results compared with the methods that use panoramic images. All these results show the effectiveness of the proposed WSMG map, which learns a comprehensive map representation for VLN. In a conclusion, to solve the problem that current maps provide insufficient information for VLN task, we propose to gather different granularity information for map representation. Moreover, to make the map better represent diverse objects described in instructions, we propose a weekly supervised auxiliary task for localizing instruction-relevant objects with no extra localization annotation. Experimental results show that the proposed method significantly outperforms state-of-the-art on VLNCE dataset. Thank you for watching.